Here's how you can make the best falafel of your life. And as always...
No, I'll do as always. You say now Bismillah as you're feeding me. And as always...
Now Bismillah.
First things first, we got our soaking chickpeas.
And these have been sitting in water overnight.
Drain out the water and go into a food processor. To this, we're gonna add a little bit of white onion.
A few cloves of garlic, aka heartburn.
We're gonna do a very light kiss of baking powder. And just a tiny bit more cornstarch. To season, we start with a generous pinch of salt.
Coriander and chili powder.
And last but not least, we need turmeric and cumin. This doesn't want to come out, huh? Handful of cilantro and parsley join the party.
A quick splash of water. And now we blend it.
Every couple minutes, give it a quick flick of the wrist.
Alright, so how do we know it's done?
So we worked it for a couple minutes. It's not too wet and it's not too dry. It's not an entire paste, but it's moist enough to form into little nice discs.
Cover this with saran wrap.
And into the fridge for about an hour. For the crucial tahina sauce, we're gonna start with plain yogurt. We're gonna add some tahina, which is sesame paste.
And to this, we're gonna add salt and lemon juice.
Mince down some heartburn. To thin this out and turn it more like a sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit of water.
So this is a falafel scooper. And if you don't have this, what are you gonna do?
You just use 2 spoons and you just ladle them on each other. And now we drop it into our hot oil. You just need a couple minutes at 325. Okay, here's the game plan. You're gonna grab a hot pita and turn it into a pocket, and then you're gonna shove the falafel inside. We're gonna do a little bit of our tahina sauce, a couple tomatoes, some cucumber, mint leaves, and then we finish with pickled turnips. Give us your honest opinion.
The falafel on its own is fire. Every time you add something, it just makes it that much better. So the sauce, pickles, the cucumber, it all works. 8.9 out of 10.